The ultimate skincare routine for men, step-by-step guide. Welcome to my channel, Glow Up Guide. A men's skincare routine can be straightforward and highly effective by focusing on a few essential steps. Here's a breakdown of a simple, effective, daily and weekly skincare routine for men. Let's dive into the video. Step 1. Cleanse twice daily. Use a gentle facial cleanser suitable for your skin type. Also, it helps to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin, which helps prevent clogged pores and breakouts. Cleanse in the morning and evening to keep skin fresh. Step 2. Exfoliate 1 to 3 times per week. Removes dead skin cells, prevents ingrown hairs, and brightens skin. Also choose a product according to your skin type. Step 3. Apply toner. It's optional. Toner helps you to balances skin pH, tightens pores, and prepares the skin to absorb moisturizer. Step 4. Moisturize daily. Moisturize helps you to hydrates and locks in moisture to prevent dryness and irritation, but choose moisturize according to skin type. Step 5. Use sunscreen every morning. Protects against harmful UV rays, which cause premature aging, dark spots, and decrease skin cancer risk. Step 6. Add a targeted serum. It's optional. After cleansing and before moisturizing, apply a few drops of a serum that targets your specific needs, like vitamin C for brightness, hyaluronic acid for hydration, or niacinamide for oil control. Step 7. Eye cream. Eye cream helps you to reduces dark circles, puffiness, and signs of aging around the eyes. Step 8. Night routine. Adding retinol in night routine, it helps you to promote cell turnover, reduces fine lines, and helps prevent breakouts. Step 9. Weekly hydrating mask. It's optional. Step 9. Weekly hydrating mask helps you to boost hydration and helps with skin repair, especially useful in dry or cold weather. Sample morning routine. You can follow this routine. Step 1. Cleanser. Step 2. Toner. Step 3. Serum. If using Step 4. Moisturizer. Step 5. Sunscreen. Sample evening routine. Step 1. Cleanser. Step 2. Exfoliant. 1 to 3 times a week. Step 3. Serum or retinol on alternating nights. Step 4. Moisturizer. I hope this skincare routine helps you feel more confident and gives you that fresh, healthy look. Remember, taking just a few minutes each day to care for your skin can make a huge difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what your favorite skincare product is or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, guys.